Good morning. For the student of Standard 6, it is quite clear that the social science became as integrated form. So integrated social science considered about the Standard 6 student related to the descriptions, and our school or the institution tried to overcome about the problem of a student of a Standard 6 as about the social science. So, first part of the social science as integrated syllabus of social science history considered about the chapter at a glance, what, how and when. First, it is quite clear that social science is a subject which deals about the combination of history, geography, civics and other human science related to the anthropology and so on. But as Standard 6 about the introductory, it is clear that history considered about the concept of the arrangement of written past to the chronological order. Written past of the chronological order indicate about the history, but it is quite clear that before history, it also considered as prehistoric age. Those will be subdivided according to the historians as BC, CE and the AD. So concerned to the BC, before the Common Era as birth of Jesus Christ as about the 500 to 3000 BC. Considered about the line graph which indicate about the history, and medieval at the birth of the Jesus Christ who considered as 1 CE, and after that the coming as medieval and the modern history subdivided between the 1 CE to 2000 at present day, who indicate about the AD also. So now let us come to for know about the event and their causes, related descriptions also given as chapter 1 as introduction of the student of Standard 6. To know about the definition of the history, after that it is quite essential for all to know about the classification and significance of history. History signifies as importance of everyday life. Accordingly, we know about the matter concerned to the ancestors related to the culture, civilization and different type of the other prospects of life related to the different chronological order as written record. Historians tells about the matter concerned to the history with the help of the two classification of the history like prehistory and history. Prehistory indicate about the period when no any written record of the history, but history tell us about the written record concerned to the events and happening as chronological order by historians. So accordingly, history will be subdivided after the written record as BC, CE and AD. So BC concerned as before the birth of Jesus Christ, CE concerned as at the time of the birth of Jesus Christ, and after that present day about the AD concerned matter as about the medieval and the modern period. So that it is quite clear that history deals about the matter concerned to the past as about the written record as systematic manner. Now let us come to the sources of history. Likely to the sources subdivided between two groups as archaeological sources and the literary sources. Archaeological sources will be described by the archaeologist with the help of the remains which found in our everyday life, as well as the literary sources also described by historian as secular as well as the religious literature. So the burial site of the prehistoric age and historic age also discussed as about the chapter as different parts of the world as well as the particular Indian boundaries. Oral history also related descriptions given as chapter as folk tales, folk song, folk music and so on others about the matter who concern to the history related to the knowing as well as their significance. Geographical location and the division of Indian history also given as about the better understanding of the history of India with the help of the northern mountain, northern plain, coastal region, island area, Great Indian Desert, and so on classification we are already know before. So the history tells us about the matter to understand ourselves as links to the past. Historians divided it as a prehistory and history age and come out about the descriptions with the help of the sources like archaeological sources by archaeologists and the literary sources by the historians. As archaeological sources we are already know about the remains which indicate about the mysteries of the past. So concern to the mysteries will be described by the historians. Some about the monuments, caves, rocks, shelter, fossils, beads, tools, toys, coins, pillars, inscriptions and jewelry which indicate about the archaeological evidence. As about the monuments like the building forts, palaces, temples like the Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Jama Masjid and so on about the monuments who indicate about the historical evidence. As objects like the tools, weapons, pottery, ornaments, seals, coins and the painting also help to the archaeological remains. Know about the archaeological remains. As inscriptions like carving of the pillars, wall of the temples, forts, cave stone, copper tablets and so on who also helpful to know about the history. Edict like Asoka Edict for Sarnath indicate about the descriptions of the Mauryan period. So that coin also a study of coin usually called the numismatics concerned to the gold coin, silver coin, copper coin, lead and others coin as metallic and non-metallic which led to the descriptions of the dynasty like Kusan dynasty, Gupta dynasty, Indo-Greek dynasty and others, Bactrian dynasty and others. Burial site like the prehistoric and early historic age who indicate about the different type of the information concerned to the history. Literary sources like scripts, manuscripts, learning of the ability about the 5,000 years ago. So on rocks, pillars and the parchment, palm leaves, clay tablets, stone walls and so on other evidence as literary sources. Literary sources also subdivided between two groups like the religious and the secular. Religious sources likely to the Ramayana as epic, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita, the Jain as about the Anga, and the Buddhist religious epic like Tripitaka. All about the description of the religious facts or the sources. Some about the secular as a biography and autobiography like Harshcharita written by Banabhat, Megasthenes as a Greek travelers who wrote Indica. Accordingly, something about the oral history or folk tales, music, song also given. So geographical location also come out as about the better understanding of history as introductory from the standard 6 student. So related to a standard 6 student concerned to the better understanding, it is clear that the history is a part of social science which deals about the matter concerned to the systematic or the chronological order of the written past. Accordingly, this chapter indicates about the what is history. History is a systematic written record which highlight about the matter concerned to the ancestor or the past, script and others. Something about how those with the help of the evidence as about the archaeological evidence and literary evidence. When something about the chronological order as a BC, CE and the AD related to the descriptions also given by the historian to know about the better understanding about the history. So that this chapter indicates about the transformation of Indian history concerned to the different type of the period as about the ancient history. After that conversion take place as a medieval period and medieval period convert to the modern period. So something about the changes take place in Indian history which described by the historians. Historians also clarify about the matter concerned to the history as a standard 6 student related to better understanding about the archaeological remains, those which found after the digging in a different parts of the India and the world. Literary sources as a secular and the religious literature also highlight about the matter concerned to the Indian history as well as the world by the archaeologist scientists. So different type of the parchment as well as the clay tablets and the carving of the walls, fort, temples, all about the evidence who clear concept about the history in India. As about the historical facts also given at chapter 1, who also indicate about the literary as well as the secular, so that the secular and the religious sources with the burial sites and the oral historical age related description given at chapter 1. Geographical location also helpful about to know about the history as standard 6. It is clear that northern plain, northern mountain, coastal region, island and the other parts of the geographical location who indicate about the different type of the civilization and the culture. So concerned to the civilization and cultures, related descriptions also highlight with the help of the geographical location. Something about the question related to the chapter as what is history, how you know about the history, when historical evidence take place in India and the world, something about the differences between archaeological and literary sources, burial sites close to India, importance and concept of oral history, geographical location of history, and others as chapter at a glance. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.